Let's talk about another interesting Gmail based mass emailing tool called GMass. So you can reach GMass using this URL, or you can look for GMass in Chrome extensions. Basically it works in as an extension in Chrome and also integrates with Gmail. So you can look for GMass in Chrome extensions, that is Chrome's web store, also in the with this URL. So this is how you can reach GMass, and you can add it in your Chrome browser, and let us see what it does. So I'll go to my Gmail. To start using the GMass, what I have to do is I have to allow it to allow it to sign up with my Gmail ID. So I'll sign in with my Gmail ID. You can see what exactly it does once I sign up with my Gmail ID. So I have signed up and it says show me some magic, so I'll click on that button, and here is my very first GMass email campaign. So you can see I can mail it to about 7 or 8 I think about 10 people. So this is just a test emailer. Once I sign up, it shows up after GMass is enabled in my Gmail. So let us see what are the features in the GMass button. So basically you can track the opens and clicks when a subscriber opens or clicks on the email content. You can have auto follow-up setup. You can do it with the days interval. You can follow a 3-strike policy, like you can have 3 auto follow-ups for a particular email. You have a schedule, so you wanted to send in an hour, 3 hours, tomorrow, or custom date and time, so you can set the same. So this is important. The timing sometimes becomes very crucial when you want to send an email. So I mean for the marketing. So this is an interesting piece here. You have schedule. You also have few more options wherein you can suppress the email IDs. You can choose a campaign name, so you have interesting things to do. You can also send a test campaign before you could. So I just want to send this as a test campaign. I can have sent it, and as you can see, automatically you get few more labels added in your Gmail. So one thing is there that once you start working with GMass, so here you see the test campaign. So once you start working with GMass, initially you will have certain limitations of sending 50 or 100 emails. Once you're based on your emails responses and trust factor, that is the non-bounce and unspamming, so all this happens. After that, your limit is gradually increased. You also have paid plans with GMass, so you can check out the same. So I can show you what is features in paid plans. So you will not have no GMass footer, that is the GMass label won't be present. You can have auto follow-ups and some other features, and also unlimited use in minimal as well as standard, and in premium you have all the things enabled. So you can use your PayPal ID to subscribe the same. However, if you are looking for quickly you want to run through the features, these are the features you can have. If you remember MS Word's mail merge, so it has similar features of mail merging the campaign, that is receiver's name or date or things like that can be merged into your email campaign. You can connect your Google Sheets. You can prioritize, schedule, and track opens and clicks, as we saw in the advanced option. you can create email lists based on the search results. Okay, so you can actually create groups and cluster them into different labels and send email to particular. You can send email as reply to the last thread with each person, so you can have a continuous conversation, seamless conversation. Instead of having one-to-one emails, the same thread can be used. You can have automatic follow-up. So these are the features you have with GMass. uh, So this is built within Gmail. This particular tool is built within Gmail, which you can utilize instead of going to a third-party dashboard and trying it out or composing. You can use GMass within Gmail, and with all these features, you also have an unsubscribe link. If you want, you can add it. So you can see in sample email it says like first name slash buddy. So first name will be the receiver's first name. So this is how GMass works for you. It's a very good tool, provided you use it not as a mail blaster, but use it as a purposeful email marketing tool. So I'm going to discuss few options which you could use to create a campaign. First thing I'm going to do is go and name the campaign. So let's see. So I've named the campaign and I'm going to create auto follow-up. So after one day, if there is no reply, I can say just making sure you saw this, right? Then there is a next. After 2 days, if there is no reply, I am setting this option. Then the last day, after 3 days, if there is no reply, I can use this. So this way I'm setting up an auto follow-up and I am scheduling it in next 1 hour. I can also check my email using email analyzer. Also, if there are any links, I can use that. Now if I go back to my email, there is a header which I would like to alter. So let me say use GMass and add a header to my email by using this option called personalize. So I can use first name slash friend, or even customize it like this, first name slash body, or use any of the first name, last name, or email address. So this is how I can do. And if I have any past email content, I can also load that. So this way I have created a campaign and I'm gonna send it. So if I click, it will be sent to each of this address in one shot. So this is the way I can create a campaign within Gmail and use it. So I would say the best application to GMass, or I would suggest the best application will be to use it for your existing customer base, because you have high chances of getting response from them, and high chances of them opening your email because they know your business. And since this tool is within your Gmail, it will be helpful for you to, instead of going into a third-party dashboard and creating an email or creating a set of emails, would be a challenge for you initially. If you're starting on Gmail marketing, you can start trying this with your existing set of customers whom you know already and send it to them. So this way GMass work would work better for you. So if you're curious about your usage of GMass, you can actually find out this under schedule menu in GMass pop-up. So just go to schedule and click on show usage. So this will tell you the count right away on the pop-up, how many emails you have sent and how much of your quota is remaining for the day. So as you see now, I've sent about 2030. It just gives me an approximate figure in last 24 hours, and I have about 470 emails to go. So this is how I can find out how many emails I have consumed and how much I have quota I have to use for. So uh, this is pretty much about GMass. Go ahead and try it for yourself and see how it goes for you. We will meet in the next demo.